All right, so far we get is the master page of this family site. So what we see is we click and we see a top, top graphic or I mean top area, and then the navigation area. I can hover it and can have some interaction change, and then I have content area. Okay, and I can click on here. I think I can click on here and then bring a page. But once I click on this, see what happens. Oh my gosh, your file is not being found. So that means we didn't create it. So how to create the rest page, right? So that's what this little video clips we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a template, and I'm going to not look at this again, but later on I might change it. So I'm going to create multiple files. You can just watch me what I do. I go File, Save As. So what I save as is going to be bp.html, not that BP is Barbara Paris shortcut. So I'm going to save as bp.html. In the same folder of, you can see this family folder. I'm inside a family folder, okay? And I'm going to change this content with her description. So I copied this. Okay, where is my content? I have to open my content text. Okay, right here I have Barbel, have two paragraphs. So what I do is I copy the statement right here. But she got two paragraph. I want two paragraph. A quick review what I do here to make it two paragraph. To put two break, or I put a paragraph close and then open that, right? So I can do two breaks, or I can close the paragraph, and then although it's just half line, it's still same thing. I would like to have paragraph start. So now I have her information, and before her description, in the content area, I would like to have her image there, right? So what I do is I don't know why this is not indent, but I'm going to have her image with the image tag, right? Image tag is a single tag. I close that, but before I close that, I get a source equal to, oh, what do I save that image for? Okay, I go back to see, oh, this in image folder. I'm currently in index file, and I have to go get access to image folder, then get her BP capital BP.jpg, right? So what I do is here is I have to define the folder where I go, right? It's ready in images folder slash BP.jpg. So we are actually infm.mozilla.edu is a Windows based, so it's not case sensitive. You will bring the picture up, but be very careful, because when you're really doing a website, you don't know. Sometimes it's on Linux server, sometimes it's on Windows. So Linux server does do the case sensitive. So trying to be consistent, if you save as BP as capital, then just do it with the same name. So later on, if somebody wants to bring all the site files to a Linux server instead of Windows, it will still live, okay, without any problem. So go back, double check image folder. Okay, so now if we save this, then let's see what happens. We click on this, then we see, oh wow, her beautiful picture is here, and we don't want that big picture. So what we want to do is things we don't have access to the image processor as Photoshop. I'm going to just reduce that by giving width to a little percentage of maybe 25%. That's a good number probably. So I'm going to refresh. Then I can see, oh, her picture and her description right there, right? So the next one I'm going to do is, so based on this, we can also do same thing as the other classmate, right? So the next one, oh, the first one, okay, let me see. But this one, I probably, the Barbara's page, I probably can say, I, hey, Barbara, right? I probably don't want to say that. Barbara. Okay. And the second one is, hey, Hanson, right? And then I'm going to change to Hanson's picture, Hanson's page. I don't change anything on the HTML page, so I just change Hanson, right? And then I say, okay, Hanson also get a big picture. I know that, so I put it there. And I'm going to open Hanson's paragraph of description of him. And I'm going to copy paste right here. All right, so guess what I did? I just I just override it. So I have to go back. Okay, go back. Yeah, I know. So I say save and then save as Hanson. Okay, so I'm going to do Hanson. Okay, save. I better don't get it wrong. Okay, save as. I'm going to save as Jesslyn as well. .html, Jesslyn. Okay, save. And then I change to hi Jesslyn. And then I change this to Jesslyn's picture. Was that picture was capitalized? Okay. Uh, okay, yeah. Jesslyn. Okay. And I think we don't know. She maybe already reduced the size. We'll see. Okay. We'll see the content of Jesslyn. Okay. Is that 2 paragraph? I think that's 2 paragraph. Okay. Okay, so. Oh, where did I go? Okay, right here. So I'm going to put 2 paragraph here, and then with a paragraph break here. Close paragraph and start a new paragraph. Okay, save. So then I can see preview. See, she did something to the picture as well. So she keep a secret, but 25%. Okay. All right. So now if we go back to the main page, open the index page. So what we got is preview of this, and then we can click on each of you guys and to see, um, each of the page. So it's clickable, each of the page. Okay, I see some of the things here change. Oh, okay, I think it's because the content are not long enough. Let's see. Okay, where is your page? So if I get view statement right here, then it will bring back same thing. See the difference? Instead of you giving repeating information, you're going to have you can have a non-break space there to just holding the space. Okay, so now if you click, each of them are linked together. So that basically we have oh, I think what I want to do is I want the page home page, right? So I don't, that's a problem. I was not be able to go back to the index page. So now I'm going to fix that actually. So I do need one of that. So I'm going to add, oops. So the first page would be home or INFM. to 12 home. Okay, so I just creating index. Is that a problem? You can't go back, then that's a dead page, right? So that's a problem. So what I need to do, I need to copy this and to put on each of the file, right? Because that's the problem. If you have changed the master page, then you have to manually change, come back and fix each of them. So that's why we want to create the template, complete the template first, and then you can copy paste the rest of the page. So spend time as long as you want to, as long as you need for creating the template. That's a smart way to get everything done. And open another page is Hansen page. Okay, I'm going to paste right here. So what happened now is I should be able to go back to the main page, right? So if I click on here, then I can see home page, then I can go back to each of those, right? So the home page wouldn't be a dead page. So I maybe like to have, the bar, the graph, top name stay there, and then on each page I got Barbara. Hey, Barbara, the heading two, to give all of that information. So this is pretty much how you create a multiple page of the family side, and then now I'm just going to demonstrate one more thing before we finish. Actually, if I want to, I can create some background image. Okay, so I don't know if I have a good image today to show actually. I have to download some image. You know what? I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to continue modify this with some little coding for cascading style sheet to changing some transparent, half transparent background, and also give the background for top graphic card. I see many of you are kind of a little sleepy as well, so now it's 9:55. So I'm going to change the top graphic a little bit